Hi everybody, this is Teri Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group. I'd like to welcome you to the Stitch in Time collaboration between Mandy at Sunflowers and Doors and myself at Sweet Pea Papers. And it's been a month long and we have a drawing and we're going to be doing that right now. A couple of things before we do. The first thing is there's 3 kits that we're going to be giving away, and to claim your kit just go to the Sunflowers and Doors Etsy shop, and it's Sunflowers and then DORS. The link will be below the video. And then pick out what you want, what kit you want, and then notify her through Etsy. And then that way she'll get the message right away, and then you'll get your kit right away. Hopefully she's not got a whole bunch of drawings going on. And yeah, and so that's the mechanics of the whole thing. So let's go over to our random number generator. I've already loaded it up with the number 74, which is our top number. This shouldn't take very long. We're just rolling for 3. And so we have 74 people. A lot of Beatrice and Patty. Here's a couple others that are in there quite a bit. I think Renee. So anyway, good luck to you. And good luck to all of you that entered once. It's just as important that you posted once as it is that they posted 10. So everybody gets a fair chance. Okay, so we're going to generate the first number. And the first number is 59. 59, and that's Beatrice. Okay, so she's winner number 1. And of course it doesn't fit. Okay, there we go. Okay, then we're going to do it again. Like I said, this is going to take us no time whatsoever, except for you can only win once in this drawing. So we may have to keep going until we get a non-duplicate. 62, see, that's Beatrice. 21, let's see what that is. 21 is Candy Boyer. Yeah, that's the only thing I foresee in it taking any amount of time is me yammering. Number 60 is Beatrice. Number 6, that should be somebody new. Oh, nope, that's Candy. I don't know what the odds are of that. Number 69 is Beatrice. Number 17 is Renee Stockwell. Congratulations, Renee. You're our 3rd winner. Now remember that you just go over to the Sunflowers and Doors Etsy shop. And I'll put that link on the screen, but it'll also be below the video. And you will be able to pick out a kit of your choice. I don't think she's put any restrictions on it. And you have to excuse me. I'm having like a allergy voice this morning. And then just let her know which one you want, and then you'll get it. Okay? All right. Well, that's all there is for that. I'd like to mention something really quick. If you haven't noticed, there's a new membership button under the video now at Sweet Pea Papers. You can become a member and you get all kinds of extras. You get 3 lives a month and a discount at the shop. So you might want to consider doing that. And I don't plug it enough, and sorry, Mandy, that I'm plugging it during this, but I got a captive audience, and so I thought I would mention it. Okay, well, congratulations everyone that's won. And I will see you in the teeny weeny Halloweeny drawing, which is what's coming, the drawing that's coming up next. Alrighty, bye-bye.